We are doing Scholarship Calculus 2021, question 3A. I reckon only 6 days left until the exam, right? I know some of you are planning to have this Scholarship Calculus next year, so this would be good practice. Now it says the roots of the quadratic equation are sine theta and cosine theta. Show that this. First of all, you have to find the relationship between A, B, and C with sine theta and cosine theta. Because these are the roots, so you can say A x minus sine theta times x minus cosine theta, isn't it? So according to this information. So if I expand, I get A x squared minus sine theta plus cosine theta x plus sine theta cosine theta, isn't it? Now, if I factorize this by A, I get x squared plus b over ax plus c over a, right? So that is 0, and this is 0. So what it means is sine theta plus cosine theta must be negative b over a. Do you see that? And then, so this is important here. And then I get sine theta times cosine theta is c over a, right? Comparing these two equations. So now we handle this. So I hope when we simplify left hand side, we will have sine theta plus cosine theta. Hence, that is negative b over a, right? That's what we have to show. Now, from left hand side, I can say this is a sine theta over 1 minus cosine theta over sine theta, isn't it? Because it's cotangent theta. Plus cosine theta over 1 minus sine theta over cosine theta, isn't it? So if I simplify this, I get sine theta minus cosine theta over sine theta. Do you see that? So 1 means a sine theta over sine theta. So that's what it means. And then plus cosine theta over 1 becomes a cosine theta minus a sine theta over cosine theta. Right? So if I simplify this again, I get sine squared theta. So sine theta goes up, and denominator is a sine theta minus cosine theta plus cosine squared theta over cosine theta minus sine theta. Okay? So now the common denominator is actually sine theta minus cosine theta, right? If I switch them, I just need a negative sign. So that means a sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta. You know, a squared minus b squared equals what? A plus b, a minus b, isn't it? That's how you factorize it. So that becomes a sine theta plus cosine theta times by sine theta minus cosine theta, isn't it? Over sine theta minus cosine theta. So simply you cancel them out. What left is sine theta plus cosine theta. Hooray! So that is what? Over here. Minus b over a. Done. Good. Alright. I will see you next time. 안녕.